Doctor by Arkayla is played in standard tuning and without a capo. And we're going to start off with an E major 7 chord. First finger 7th fret at the A, third finger 9th fret at the D, second finger 8th fret at the B, and the pinky finger on the 9th fret at the B string. I'm going to strum down, up, mute, so release the pressure and strum. And we can also use the kind of side of the palm on the right hand to get a better little muted sound as we strum. Like that. Down, up, mute, we'll strum up, down, up, mute, down, up, mute, down, up, mute, then up, down, up, mute, up, down. So down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute, down, up, down. Little rest, move the shape down 1 fret, single strum on a D sharp major 7 or an E flat major 7. Move it down another fret to the D major 7, same shape again, and we got exactly the same strumming as we did for the E major 7. Down, up, mute, down, up, mute, down, up, mute, down, rest, upper fret this time to that D sharp major 7 before we just repeat from the start. So E major 7, down, up, mute, down, up, mute, down, up, mute, down, little rest, down a fret, single strum, D major 7, down, up, mute, down, up, mute, down, up, mute, down, rest, upper fret, played on repeat. For the bridge section, that takes us into the chorus. We are playing a B7 chord. It's the first finger bar at the 7th fret, third finger 9th fret at the A, and then the second finger on the 8th fret of the G string. We're going to strum down in 8th notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 bars. Then we'll add the pinky finger to the 9th fret of the B string, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then up to the 10th fret for the next bar, and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 then we're into the chorus. Then we go to the chorus and it starts on an E major 7 chord again, but with a different rhythm. It is down, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down. And we go up to an F sharp minor 7 chord. First finger bar 9th fret, third finger 9th fret of the D, and the second finger on the 10th fret of the B string. We got down, down, up, and then to a B7 chord, which we played in the little link section, and we got an up strum, up, down, and then we're going to add pinky finger to the 9th fret of the B string, up, off, up, down. So F sharp minor 7, down, down, up, and then to the B7 chord, up, up, down, pinky, off, off, off. And that's the whole chorus. So E major 7. And that's played on repeat. At 1 minute and 52, there is a little link section. It uses the same shape as that F sharp minor chord we just played, but up 2 frets here. This is a G sharp minor 7. We'll play down, down, up, rest, down a fret to G minor 7, single strum, down a fret, F sharp minor 7, and we're going to strum up, up, down, up, down. So G sharp minor 7, down, down, up, G minor 7 on an up strum, F sharp minor 7 on an up, down, up, down. Okay, this is played 3 times. There is a different ending to the chorus at 2 minutes and 22. It starts off the same with that E major 7 chord, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And we do go to the F sharp minor 7 chord, but we have a different rhythm and we go to a different place in the song here. So we strum down, down, up, and then we're going to move up 1 fret, down, up, so we're moving up a fret each time. So it's F sharp minor 7, down, down, up, G minor 7, G sharp minor 7, and then we're going to go to a C major 7, and we're going to step up to a C sharp minor 7, and this takes us into the mid 8 at 2 minutes and 31. So we've got F sharp minor 7, down, down, up, C sharp, and to the D chord. So the whole kind of chorus ending, E major 7, For the mid-8 section, we kind of repeat what we did for the verse, but using a D major 7, going to C sharp major 7 to C. So it's D major 7, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 1, down, up, down, up, down, down, and we don't go back to the D. So it's D major 7, down, up, rest, down, rest, down, rest, down, little step down to C sharp major 7, C major 7, down, rest, down, rest, down, up, down. And then we're going to go up to an F major 7 chord with down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. And then we'll go to our kind of linking section, that B7 chord. 2 bars, and then we sit out completely for 2 bars before we go back to the kind of little link section from the chord, from the kind of link. So the whole mid-8 section there is D major 7, C sharp, C, and to the F major 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We then go through the chorus section as normal, so E major 7, F sharp, B7, and that's played on repeat. For the ending of the song, we use the chorus section with the E going to F sharp, but then we've got that little step up with the minor 7 chord. So it's E major 7, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, F sharp, just play F sharp, G minor, G sharp minor, and we just leave it there. So